guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Samiksha and I am here again with yet another video. So I have been MIA for quite a while now, and while I was gone, so okay, let's talk about it while I do my makeup. So I have already prepped my skin and now let's do my makeup. Okay, while I was gone, I realized one thing, that this thing, content creation, it's been a while, like it's been a year. So I realized that I love creating content and I was missing this so much, like so much, so that especially shorts. I love creating shorts, okay? So while I was gone, I felt very not me. The happiest part is that I also got a PR package for the first time, and I should be the happiest like when I got it. But I was in that particular position that I could not just do it. Okay, so I have applied the primer. So I am using this foundation stick from MyGlam. I mean, it is so good. It is very less for $5.99, but it is so good. Look at the shade match. See, it is so good. I was saying that I was going through a very rough patch. I am still going through a very rough patch, and it is not very, it's not like, oh my god, my health is not good, that kind of rough patch. It is actually a very, disheartening situation that I don't want any one of the people to go through this. So I cannot frankly talk about it, and all I did was I kept within myself, and one day I got so much frustrated and so much sad that I called my friends, and every one of my friends are so supportive, like I could not even imagine. Okay, I had to tell them my problems, and I never told them in detail because I thought they would never understand it or they could never relate to it. But I was so wrong. They were so supportive towards me, and they did not feel like, oh haan sab theek ho jayega, and that kind of stuff. But they were so supportive throughout, and I have very less quantity of friends, but they are the most supportive people, and they know me so well. They know my everything. They know how I behave, how I react, and even though we are in long distances, or even though we do not meet often, but they are so supportive. I really want to give huge shout out to every one of my friends, and I'm so grateful for them. Let's set my face with a compact powder. It was not for them, I would have never made this video and never moved on from the things that I was going through. Recently I've been trying to bake my face. I am learning how to do it. So this is a very new technique of makeup that I'm doing. Now I will apply blush. I would apply too much blush. I learned this technique from Reels and I'm trying it for the first time. Now let's see how it turns out. Okay, so now let's do my eyes, because when you bake your face you have to keep it for a while. That's what I have heard. So yeah. Oh my god, it's my new t-shirt. Okay, actually guys, it is attached. Can you believe it? This thing and this thing is attached. So crazy. So I'll give you guys a little TMI about me. So when it comes to emotional well-being or emotional support, I have not got it, and I don't rely on people to give me emotional support, and I'm the last person you should come to when it comes to emotional support. Obviously I would say that is a red flag in me, but I'm trying my best. But from like as I was growing up, as I was just a kid. I never found that emotional support or whatsoever. So I don't rely on that. I don't want any people to rely on me. So yeah, that's what was happening with me. So I could not handle it, and I was like, I have to tell someone. I have to, I have to move out of this. So I called every one of my friends. We have been sharing reels and all the stuff, but we have not been talking and meeting physically because long distance friendship and all the things. And we share about our everyday stuff, but we don't talk about all these things. And when I talked to them, I was like, yeah, actually, I can rely on them. It's just I never tried to. So that thing hit me hard, and I was so happy that I did. Yeah, so now let's remove this first. I don't know for how long we have to keep this, but let's remove it. I don't really want it anymore. So this is how it looks, and now let's do my eyeliner. And I was like, why didn't I share this thing with my friends before? Because my heart feels so light now, and I feel like yes, I can finally move on past that, and it is just a good feeling. Oh my god, just a good feeling. So yeah, that's what I was saying. Let me just quickly finish. Let's do my eyelashes. The only thing you should do whenever you're sad is do what you love the most. I missed creating content so much, like I cannot even tell you. And I was like, yes, this is meant for me, and it makes me happy from inside. And especially shorts, I love making shorts. I love trying new things. These past few days, I have also been grateful for the things that I have, and now I got to know, like, what are my priorities in life and what are not. So yeah, that is kind of very good thing to have, I guess. Okay, so you guys must be thinking, what is wrong with this girl? She cries all the time, but it's not that, guys. It's okay. So recently, I met my friend Bhartik. You all know. So I also made Get Ready with Me. I made a little vlog, and that never made it to the YouTube because after that incident, something happened that it truly hurt me, and it is like okay, so that happened, and I was so happy that day. I made vlogs also. I made this whole Get Ready with Me and whole my outfit and all the stuff that never made it to YouTube, and I have still kept the footage. So I don't know I will upload it or not. So yeah, it's not like that, guys. I am, I'm not like that. But some things happen, so you cannot just do it. But right now, at this time, I felt like I should get up and make a video and just upload it because it will make me feel better about myself. Okay, so in that vlog, okay, so I think I'll not post that vlog. So in that vlog, I updated about my life. I was so happy that I was doing unboxing of my PR package that I got for the first time. That was a vacuum cleaner, and I was so happy, and I should be happy. In that video only, I have told that I have lost 3 kilos, and because I have been eating healthy, clean, and nice, and because it is helping my PCOD. So I'm really happy. I was really happy about that. That I lost 3 kilos naturally. Like it was an amazing feeling. So yeah, I'm on like focusing on my health, but right now I'm just eating ramen all the time, so I might gain weight again. So yeah, in that video I was so happy, and then I was uploading all this stuff. But it's not like that I cry all the time. If I'll peak, and if I'll be in my peak era, and it's over for everyone, because then I'll be, it's gone for everyone. So yeah, I'm doing pink liner after so long. The shade is cool, and I'm using Rhode in the shade Ribbon. It's very nice pink natural gloss. This is how my makeup is looking, and let's give you a close-up. So my makeup is done, and I'm ready to go. I forgot the point where I was. So to cut the crap, I just want to say that get your goals set, and for me, I'm at this point that I have nothing to lose. So I am just focusing on my goals right now, and I am done with being sad and being depressed and being all the BS. So I am just heading towards my goal, and I know they. So, okay. So yeah, that is what my point is. Oh my god, sir. Oh. There was a beautiful bird outside. I will again give you guys a little TMI. In 2021, I was going through a very, very rough patch. Like I never been to that rough patch in my entire life. And in 2020, actually, 2020 to 2021, in between. So I was seeing this therapist, and she told me about how a little things get so much affected to you when you're not in a good space. Like when you get immune to these things, these small things that might hurt you or your feelings, when you will be like, okay, that's enough, I cannot take it anymore, then you have nothing to lose, and you are so immune to all these things. So that time I did not take it very seriously, because I was going through a rough patch. But now it is hitting me hard. Like right now it's hitting me hard. Like that time as I went through that patch, like this scenario that I am in is nothing as compared to that. So yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, that's so true. It hit me hard this whole time that whenever you get immune to things that people, or even if it's your own family, might try to hurt you, or try to be sick about you. So when you get immune to these all things, you have nothing to lose, and you can just head on with your life, and these small things won't affect you. So that's what I wanted to say, and I really want to give a heartfelt love to all my friends. Like they have all been so supportive, so nice towards me, and they did not just listen to me, but they helped me go through it. I'm so happy. Okay, be it Ira, be it Surya. Ira, I mean, she has been a friend who is always there, even if you are going through such hard times, or even she'll just get it that I'm not feeling good about myself, I'm not feeling happy or whatsoever, but she will get it. She'll be like, are you okay, तुझे कुछ हुआ है क्या, and all these things. Okay, Bhartik, even if he's a guy, it is very difficult for you to convey your feelings or your emotions when you have a guy friend. I never told him about everything and all the things that I'm going through, but this time I was like so much. This time my motive was to be, not confined with my own feelings. I had to share to people, and then Bhartik, even though he's a guy, he will always be there for you. I have known him since we were in 9th standard, and since then I just see him like that 9th class Bhartik. I never saw him that mature guy would be in him, and we were always doing fun and all this stuff, but he has always been very what do I say, like very mature. Like he is always there for you, and I don't know, like what did I do to get all such friends. And Surya, even though she's busy in her life, different time zones, different scenarios, she also have to shift, she also have to do a lot of stuff that is going through in her life, and she has to figure out her own stuff, even though like she's calling me and asking me about my whereabouts and how I am right now. And Anshika, like she has been my flatmate, she has been my roommate for a very long time, and even though we are long distance and she is not in Delhi, she has always been there for me. And whenever I reconnect with her, I always feel like this is the friendship that I want. And this time when I reconnected with her, I felt so nice, even though we keep sharing reels and we keep sharing memes every time, but reconnecting on a call and then talk about all this stuff. This feels so nice. This is a type of friendship that I don't want to lose. And even though my family is not with me, even though my family is, ignorant of me, even they don't care about me, but I have friends who are as equal as my family or more than my family. And yeah, oh my god. Okay, too much. Okay, too much. All these people, they have my whole fucking heart. They can have every piece of me. So that's what I wanted to say, and I'm really, really grateful for all these people in my life. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say. And this is the last time you're gonna see me like this. And now, okay, before I go, let's end this video in a very nice way. I recently bought a bag, so let's do an unboxing. I have not opened it, so let's open it together. So this is the bag that I got. This is from Juicy Couture. Let's unbox it. It is so pretty, okay? Don't worry guys, it's not pink. Look at this. So pretty. This has a very long chain. It's a sling bag, but I will carry it. And if we see, we have this two section. It's just a wallet, but so pretty, and you can carry it as a clutch. So it's a 3-in-1 bag. Look at this, it's so classy, and I love Juicy Couture. So yeah, this was my purchase and I'm really happy with it. So let's end this video now, and I'm gonna say this is the last time you're gonna see me like this, and I'm gonna be active. I promise myself that I am gonna be active, and this is the thing. I love doing it so much, and I want to be more consistent. So yeah, and this is a update video, I guess. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'm sorry if it was too much for you. Okay, so yeah, this was it. So I'm gonna see you in the next one.